This week, we're going to spend some time in the clouds, and hopefully get above them for sunrise. But in order for it to work, I was going to need some luck in a very early morning. Cloud inversions like this are tricky to forecast, and I've actually never been able to capture one at sunrise despite dozens of attempts. This particular day, I considered it a bit of a long shot. With one snowstorm moving out of the area, and another one on its heels forecast for later in that day, I had a very short window to get above the clouds, in between storms, and a very slim chance of that actually lining up with sunrise. While the odds weren't great, I knew I only get chances like this a couple times every year, so I started hiking up in the pitch black.
Alright, it is 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm heading up a mountain to get above the clouds, and check that out between the trees there. I just cracked the top of the clouds. Got a little bit more to go. This is going to be one of the most incredible sunrises, but I gotta keep moving.
To my delight, the sky to the east was clear, and the incoming storm hadn't covered up the sky yet, though you could already see clouds moving in from the west.
Incredible.
Getting above the clouds feels like entering another dimension. You climb to the top of a familiar spot, only to have the view altered drastically, and any hint of civilization disappears entirely. It blows my mind that scenes like this are happening all over the place, and nobody's there to even witness them. Down in town, it just looked like a cloudy day. I felt honored to be able to capture this. And while the high clouds from the next storm had held off just long enough for me to get some incredible sunrise light, it only took a few minutes after sunrise for them to move in and start blocking the light. I knew my window would be short, but I had no idea how close this would be.
It's only getting colder, and I think there's some more clouds moving in with this next storm system, so I think we just have a short window for sunrise, and then I'm heading down now.
And while the sunrise was really incredible to witness, one of my favorite parts of this hike was being able to descend back down through the clouds. Right as you get to the cloud level, you can really see how the clouds move in waves, washing over the mountain and then receding to show the nearby peaks again. I can't tell you how many times I've left the house and hiked up thousands of feet, only for the fog below to burn off or high clouds to move in. Other times the inversion would hold off, but the cloud level would raise to just above where I was hiking to, leaving me at the top of a peak, but still in the middle of a cloud. And it'd be an understatement to say that I was pretty excited about how this trip turned out. Getting a sunrise shot like this has been a dream of mine for years. Watching the sunrise over a sea of clouds and then watching the clouds wash over the peaks below me was an awesome experience and made for some really cool minimalist shots. I hope you enjoyed this week's adventure above the clouds. If you want to see more videos like this, I'm doing my best to put out a new video every week, so make sure you've hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's adventure. Until next time, keep getting outside. You never know what you'll be able to find.